Boom! In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to build an amazingly successful real estate team. Hey guys, Tommy Kim here with Lifetime Realty. If you like any of our content, give us a thumbs up, smash that like button, give us a subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll be coming to you every single week, giving you relevant tips to level up your real estate business. So, all right, I've been getting this question about, hey, how do you bring people into your team in terms of recruiting, bringing talent, growing your team, making a successful company. And I broke it down to these 5 strategies that I've implemented in my business. And I'm gonna share with you. If you can follow the rules and the 5 steps, I'm sure it's gonna have a massive impact in your business. Hiring a fantastic talent into your business. You're obviously looking for a talent. But number 1, the people that are coming onto my team support the mission that we are for, right? If your mission is to have this much impact, this many sales, this kind of a goal, have prosperity, giving back, whatever your mission is, bring on the people that are in the same boat of your mission so that you can actually multiply. Just having one person into the cause of serving that will triple the result that you're gonna have. All right, number 2, before you bring them in, let's do a personality test, right? You guys are all familiar with, and if you're not, DISC profile, D-I-S-C. What type of person are they? They're dominant, they're interactive, they work good in a team environment, or they're extremely analytical and attention to detail is great. Depending on the type of role that you're needing for your team, definitely do this profile. There's a bunch of different tests out there, right? Enneagram's another great one. So check out and make sure to identify the role, and then once you identify the role, the type of person, do they fit the role that that particular position is for? So that will help you tremendously. Number 3, once you've identified the exact role and you've did the interview process and you know what type of personality they have, they're in your team. Build out a cadence of a rhythm of meeting. Is it Monday meeting, Friday check-ins? Is it Wednesday meeting? Is Friday trainings? Whatever the rhythm of the training is, so that you guys can continue to build on what you have and have a successful team. Number 4, when you bring on someone, you're going in, you're giving them enough training, right? You have to have a tracking mechanism. Do you have a dashboard that shows the result of the company, the result of the activity the team is doing? And are you guys currently monitoring it, updating it, improve upon it? Because some of the reasons that you might not be getting the result is maybe you don't have the skill, you don't have the right training in place, you don't have the right people in the right seats. So definitely review and organize that, and it will help immensely in growing your team. Number 5, and this is the part that all the leaders miss out on. Love on your people. Appreciate them, recognize them, encourage them as much as you can. Statistics show that 80% of leaders or team leads, when we ask them, hey, how much love, encouragement, appreciation, they all think they're giving. 80% of the people, they're doing well enough. However, when you ask the teammates or other people, they all say, oh, maybe 10%. So there is a big gap there, and definitely love and encourage and support the people that you bring on. Hope you guys enjoyed my 5 tips to building a phenomenal real estate team, real estate company. If you like any of the content, hey, give us a thumbs up and like. Follow us. We have weekly meetings, monthly seminars, investor meetups. So check out some of the events we have locally in Southern California, and look forward to seeing you on our next episode. Level up every day.